Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to try to grow Albizia from seed. I don't know the variety, not sure what is, but here I have these seed pods and I have to try to grow from seed. They are fresh, these seeds, because when I get these seeds from a person, Gabriela, she sent me, this seed pod was green. And now just have to sow the seeds, and I'm gonna use this paper, and let me do that. Extract the seeds, then you know. These seeds are out. Well, so looks like the seeds close up. Interesting seeds. In this pot I'm gonna sow the seeds. As you can see there, added potting soil, which pH is 5 to 6.5, and I'm gonna water with warm water, and it will be good, and that's it. Let's do that. Now I'm gonna sow these seeds here. And now I'm gonna put this pot in the greenhouse effect, in a zip bag to keep moist inside. Well, I finished, and now I'm waiting for germination. That's it. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notification when I'm posting new videos. And can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. See you next time. Bye bye.